everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through how to make homemade hummus. And it's so good, and it's so good with so many different things. You can eat it with vegetables, or you can put it on a pita, or like we're doing for this recipe, I guess, combination, we're gonna put falafels on it and put it in a wrap with some tabbouleh and a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how to make hummus. It's so easy and it tastes absolutely amazing. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we got our food processor. And we have garbanzo beans. Now these are cooked garbanzo beans. Put those in there. Then we have lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. And you can use the bottled kind, but it does make quite a difference in the taste. Then we have some garlic, fresh garlic, some salt, and then the secret ingredient, tahini. Now you can find tahini in like the ethnic aisle of Myers or Walmart, wherever you find like different ethnicities of food, that's where you'll find this. Now I did set aside some of the liquid from the garbanzo beans, and I'm gonna put a little bit in, but not all of it, because sometimes garbanzo beans, some of them are drier than others, and a little bit of moisture helps. But if you put all of it in, your hummus might get too runny. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and process this until smooth. All right, now I let that process for about 2 minutes. And there you go. Nice, easy, simple, homemade hummus. Now you can make red pepper hummus out of this, just add some roasted red peppers, or you can do Greek hummus, add some oregano or some Greek Isle type seasoning. You can pretty much do anything with this. So this is just basic garlicky hummus. I hope you enjoy this recipe.